Fall is here. Remember one thing, guys. Fortune favors the bold. The only barrier is in your mind. I am a fashion enthusiast. This is my thing. Fashion is an extension of me. I project my personality through it, and I let my outfit speak for who I am. For me, this suit is very specific. It represents having no obstacles at all. By going for that 6 buttons over the classic 4 buttons. Going for the navy fine houndstooth material over the regular ordinary navy material. Going for the double-breasted cut over the single-breasted cut. Everything about the quality, the feel, the sartorial nature of the suit just goes beyond the boundaries. And that's what Louis Copeland & Sons made-to-measure tailoring is all about. Breaking the wall to allow you to be creative. I love being surrounded by people who are not bound by restraints. When it comes to collaborating, I believe in working with people who share the same vision I have. They give me the drive to be ambitious, to be a risk taker, to be an outside-the-box thinker. And they leave me striving to do better each time. And remember, the only barrier is in your mind.